Welcome to our Mountville facility. This health, safety, and environmental video is required for all employees to be present on the Mountville property. We want you to be safe while working, so thank you for viewing this safety video. Queremos que estés seguro mientras trabajas. Así que gracias por ver este video de seguridad.
If you're working in an elevation where guardrails don't provide enough protection, such as a ladder, near an open-sided floor, or in an aerial work platform, you will also need to wear fall protection gear. Another common form of fall protection is a personal fall arrest system. This includes a harness, lanyard, or retractable lifeline, and an attachment point. You must inspect your harness daily for cuts, tears, and frayed straps. Buckles, snap hooks, and safety latches all need to be locked at any time you put on a harness.
In addition to these basic items, you may also be requested to wear task environment-specific PPE, such as appropriate gloves, hearing protection, face shields, respiratory protection, and goggles.
All contractors must wear safety glasses, safety-toed shoes, and a high-visibility safety vest. The high-visibility vests are for your protection. You will be readily identifiable to our employees who will be watching out for your safety. Other personal protective equipment may be required, depending on the work and the location.
Our quality, we make sure that every part is okay to be used. We have a bunch of different setups just in case something gets caught on the line, and that allows us to make sure that we're sending out a very quality product.
We demand that everything we do leads to a cleaner and safer environment. Please use the proper waste and recycling containers during your visit. Do not approach any equipment where there are flashing red strobe lights, yellow chain barriers, signs that warn of hazardous voltage, or signs that state hearing protection is required. Visitors are prohibited from entering these areas.
Other PPE could include OSHA-compliant respirators, hearing protection where noise levels exceed 85 dB, and remember, the proper gloves are required for the proper job.
Always barricade off areas where there is a hazard exposed to those in close proximity to the work, or when you are working at heights. Report if you see any guardrail or floor cover missing or damaged.
What happens is the plant actually would shut down, or they would have to flare the product off.
If this place shuts down, it affects all the way out to the oil field and cuts down oil production.
We've fortunately never had to go there. We've been able to keep the tanks down low enough that they can keep production going, not lose any product. And then the trucking cut side of it, so transportation, Deb, the drivers, all grab the product, keep things moving just perfectly.
Fire or spark barrier, protective face shield, and gloves must always be worn when working with a chop saw. Depending on the work performed on the job site, you may be required to obtain one of the following permits: hot work, working from heights, confined space. If you have any questions on what permit you may need, please ask your site foreman.
So, if you're looking for an affordable way for your company to have a personalized safety video, we are your source. Busy Boy Productions has been creating safety videos for the last 15 years for major corporations all over the country. Get a fast free quote by contacting us at 818-561-6000 or email us at info@busyboyproductions.com.